Every student will receive their own personal running club ID card with an attached hook. Use the hook to attach your card to your backpack. The hooks and cards should stay on your backpacks throughout elementary school. You can simply leave them there until it's time to unclip and begin running club. Let's get running. After you've completed a lap in running club, you'll come to a complete stop and hold the card upright and show the barcode to the scanner or phone. After your card has been scanned, you'll hear a beep, or the adult will signal you that you can continue running more laps. School staff or volunteers supporting you in running club may create different running tracks for your laps, so you can participate at different times of the day without interfering with class lineups, other recess activities, or PE. Be sure to run around the cones, be safe, and enjoy yourself. Remember, after you run a lap, get your card ready to be scanned by holding it with the barcode out. Then come to a complete stop and show your barcode to the scanner or phone. And then continue jogging. And be sure to give the other runners some space to be scanned. When running club is completed, be sure to use your hooks to attach your cards to your backpacks and leave them there. Scanned laps are uploaded for reports that show individual, class, and school mileage. We'll also track your individual mileage running awards and hand out tokens monthly that can be added to your running club necklace. Check out fusionfitness.net to find out more details and how you can also log outdoor active minutes at home when you're not at school. And remember, it doesn't matter how fast or how far you run. If you simply join us and get moving, then you are in the club.